Hey everybody, Mr. On-Demand, man with the master plan, back again with another great video. And man, people are crazy for retro gaming stuff. I'll tell you, retro gaming is just absolutely bonkers crazy. So crazy that this Windows for Game Boy came out and sold out like immediately. Um, you know, they, you know, if you're someone who regularly finds themselves nostalgic for the days of Windows 3.1, you may be interested to learn about the release of Windows GBS, a new homebrew title developed for the Nintendo Game Boy that aims to bring some of its best features to the legendary handheld. Developed by Ruben Retro in GB Studio, it is a software package of sorts that contains a recreation of the iconic procrastination tool Minesweeper, as well as an inbuilt media player that can be used while exploring other apps, and paint program that is compatible with Game Boy Printer. The media player includes samples created by the chiptune composer BeatScribe, while the paint program will also allow to draw your own pixel art, which you can then obviously print off of and share with others. Little picture there, Windows with an old retro PC. Needless to say, it's pretty interesting use of the classic handheld and has already proven popular with fans of the Nintendo device. Last month when it was released at a 40, I believe that's 40 euros, physical package, it sold out almost immediately, forcing the developer to work on a second batch. This later restock went on sale on Etsy on April 17th, but again sold out, leading the distributor to announce the third restock is on the way in the coming weeks. Absolutely amazing, something like this old retro thing would actually sell out and do so well. Absolutely amazing to me. What do you guys think? Is the retro craze really that crazy? I'm a big retro game fan, but not of this. I wouldn't use this personally. That doesn't mean that it's not good and not fun, but crazy stuff. The world is absolutely bonkers crazy. I'm absolutely convinced of it. Totally. I don't see how people would spend $40 or euros for this software. I just don't. I absolutely don't get it at all. Anyway, if you liked this video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, tell me down below why. If you're crazy just like the rest of the world, let me know that as well, because I'd like to hear from you about how crazy you are and how much you're into retro stuff just like that Game Boy GBS for Windows. GBS Windows operating system. Yeah. I'm at a loss for words. I really am. I really am. This is really crazy. When I saw this, I was like, I gotta talk about it. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you next time.